Now, beyond the festivities of this season, Christmas is also a time to give back, change, and touch lives. We at MX24 are inviting you to join us in raising funds for the surgery of 6-year-old Rashida Yakubu, who is suffering from cleft-foot defect. Our target is to raise 35,000 Ghana cedis that will be used for the corrective surgery. It's our utmost desire to raise the funds for the surgery for this month of December. Whatever you have, however little, would be very much appreciated. Please send all your donations to Momo number 0546 660 115, 0546 660 115 to Black Volta Publications, or you can also send to ABSA bank account number 108211 MX24 Media Limited High Street Branch. Now, the reference for all your transactions should be Rashida Yakubu in all your donations. Together, let's help change Rashida's life for the better. Thank you, and God bless you so much for your donations.